Hey, I'm Jack from BBQLAND, and today we're cooking a spanakopita on the Traeger timberline 850. While I've got you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button below and ringing the bell so you don't miss our awesome videos. Check out how we make our vegetarian dish.
Start by chopping 500 grams of spinach which has been wilted down and well drained into a mixing bowl. Next, add 200 grams of feta which has been chopped finely, and then beat 1 egg and add that into the mix as well. Now add 3 tablespoons of Jack's Meat Shack Ranch Multi-Purpose Rub into your bowl. This has got all the herbs and spices that's going to bring this dish together. So now the filling's ready, we're going to start assembling this Greek pie. Get your phyllo pastry ready. Make sure that you put it in between 2 damp tea towels to stop the pastry from drying out. Lay out 3 pieces of phyllo pastry side by side and use some melted butter to glue the pieces of pastry together.
While Hayley preps our pastry, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the Traeger timberline 850 up and running. All you do is turn the power on, select your temperature with the dial as so, and hit that big red button to ignite the flames. Your auger will then feed your little pellets into the fire pot, which creates heat inside the grill and gives us that wood fire taste. So let's get back over to Hayley.
Then brush a layer of melted butter all over your long sheet of pastry. Repeat that process again directly on top of that first layer. We're actually going to build 3 layers in total, which is how you get those lovely layers of phyllo pastry in every bite of the pie. Add an even line of filling about 1 inch up on the near side of the pastry. Then, starting from the near end, start to roll that pastry like a big feta spinach cigar until you reach the far side. We're making our Greek pie into a spiral, so we're using a spring foam tin which will make it easier to get out once baked. So add your pastry into the spring foam tin, wrapping it round in a coil. Then repeat that whole process all over again. We'll wrap this second cigar into the spring foam tin right the way around till we reach the centre of the pie. pie all over with melted butter, then top with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and then you're pretty much done and ready to bake. Place the pie in the Traeger, which has been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. It's going to take about 45 minutes to get nice and golden brown. There's an extra one we've just chucked on for Jack. So as you can see, after 45 minutes in the Traeger, we've got that lovely crispy crunchy spanakopita ready for eating.
Thanks again for joining us at BBQ Land. That was the Traeger Timberline 850 pellet grill. I'm sure you agree, it really demonstrated how versatile the pellet grill can be. We cooked the pastry at 180 degrees for 45 minutes and the temperature didn't budge once. You can use different pellets of different flavours, so it's a really versatile piece of equipment. So if you need any more information, don't hesitate to give us a call or drop us an email, the details of which are below in the description, and we'll be seeing you again soon for some more barbecue action. See you soon.